The Railway Bureau, MOTC, shoulders the responsibilities of various major railway projects, including railway reconstructions and airport MRT. Railway reconstruction must be implemented right by the existing tracks, while the railway operation will not be disrupted. The construction before demolition method is just like having one's clothes altered as they're being put on, which makes the construction very difficult. The Taichung project, from 1.9 kilometers north of Fengyuan Station down to 1.4 kilometers south of Daqing Station, reconstructed the existing railway into an elevated structure with a total length of 21.7 kilometers. The massive canopy in Taichung Station was the first ever in the nation to apply 3D-style large-span canopy to railway station buildings. Its curved canopy surface features a beautiful three-dimensional design with heat-insulating, soundproofing, and fire-resistant functions. The Kaohsiung project, from south of Dazhong Second Road in Zuoying to west of Dazhi Overpass in Fengshan, reconstructed the existing railway underground, adding 7 underground commuter stations and moving the original Zuoying, Kaohsiung, and Fengshan stations underground. The permanent Kaohsiung main station, R11, is located on the basement level 4, right next to the Kaohsiung MRT shield tunnels in operation, with the nearest distance of 1.2 meters from the MRT tunnel and an excavation depth of 32.64 meters. It's the closest station construction in the nation to an adjacent operating route. The tunnel crossing under the Love River, due to the high risks associated with construction work in the river, adopted the 3-stage construction of cofferdams and river course slabs. It's the most technically demanding and challenging section of the Kaohsiung project. To optimize transportation efficiency in eastern Taiwan, the entire route of 162.4 kilometers from Hualien to Zhiban Station was electrified, with double tracks at bottleneck sections and improvement of railway curves. In addition, by upgrading services at the 27 stations and surrounding ancillary facilities along the line from Xincheng to Taidong Station, it's expected to provide tourists with a comfortable, convenient, and high-speed tourism environment, as well as revitalize the local economy and tourism industry. The new Ziqiang Tunnel spans a total length of 2,676 meters, traversing under the Wuhe Terrace, an area with interbedded gravel, schist, and silt layers. Its geological complexity made tunnel construction very difficult and dangerous. Thus, for the first time in the nation, the central drift method was adopted along with geological improvement and other countermeasures, enabling construction to advance, which contributed to the breakthrough of the new Ziqiang Tunnel. TIAA MRT project starts from Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport Terminal 2, heading east to Taipei Main Station and south to Huanbei Road of Zhongli, with a total length of 51.03 kilometers. The section that passes through the Danshui River adopted the double-O tube shield tunneling, the so-called DOT method, to avoid the risks when establishing cross passages beneath the riverbed and between the two tubes in traditional tunneling. It's the most arduous task of the entire project and a big step forward in Taiwan's shield tunneling techniques. The bridge of Qingshan Road section was constructed using the side slope of highway with part of the pier foundations located on steep hillsides. To avoid extensive excavation, the bamboo cut excavation method is adopted to reduce the impact on the ecological environment. The engineering staff of the Railway Bureau has overcome difficult challenges. Since 1983, about 17 major railway reconstructions or new construction projects throughout Taiwan have been completed, amounting to 554.1 billion NT dollars, which has a profound impact on people's lives and economic development. In the future, the Railway Bureau will remain committed to the tradition of excellence and strive to create a better rail transport system for this land.